Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome to another edition of RC Try Stuff. Today we are going to try to be doing an unboxing on the Western Digital MyBook. This is a 4TB hard drive. I actually already own one of these hard drives, but I had to purchase another one because I always keep running out of hard drive space. So this is my second 4TB hard drive. I purchased this on Amazon for $149.99. They also have three other different models. They have a 2TB version, a 3TB version, and a 6TB version. The 4TB version has the best bang for your buck, and it's giving you roughly $37.50 per terabyte. Where if you were to get the 6TB version, it's $249.99, and you're paying roughly $41.66 per terabyte. And the 3TB one is really similar to the 6TB. And the 2TB one is actually the most expensive per terabyte. You're paying close to $66.15 per terabyte. So definitely, if you're planning to purchase a hard drive and you need the space, this one will give you the best bang for your buck. So this is a USB 3.0 hard drive. Unfortunately, my Mac only has USB 2.0. But yeah, this is it. Here's the box. As you guys can see, it's made by Western Digital. It says MyBook Premium Storage. It is compatible with Mac and Windows, and it says it's USB powered. If you go over here, I don't know if that's in focus. It's not really in focus, but whatever. So it says it contains an external hard drive, obviously. It has backup software, which I probably won't use. It has a USB cable, an AC adapter, and a quick install guide. It says it's compatible with it's formatted for NTFS, which is for Windows. And if you want to use it for Mac, you have to reformat the hard drive to probably the Mac Journal or whatever it's called. Over here on the side, there's more features. It says our Windows 8 app makes it easy to discover, organize, and enjoy photos. So they have like software that you can use that I probably will never use that kind of thing. I just want to use it as a hard drive. I don't want to install all their other software. You can also automatically back up your files to your Dropbox account. You can already do that without this hard drive, so I don't know why they're advertising that on the box like it's something special. You can already do that with any hard drive. So yeah, it has a serial number at the bottom. It has 2 years limited warranty. Yeah, really, that's about it. There's nothing else to see. On this side, we have getting started guide. It just basically says you power it up, you connect it to your PC, and you install the software, which I'm not gonna do. But anyways, let's open it up here. And yeah, here it is, guys. So let's just put everything on the table so you can see everything. So this is everything that it comes with, guys. It has the hard drive, of course. There it is. It has a USB 3.0 cable. It has your AC adapter. There's this booklet here, which is for technical support and warranty information. And we have a MyBook manual. Kind of has like technical support information on it. It has like some really basic instructions, kind of like IKEA instructions, where it just shows you pictures and you have to figure it out for yourself. So it says the first step is to plug in the AC adapter, second step is to plug in the USB cable, and third step is to plug it into your computer. Very easy. So this is it here. I'm not going to take the plastic off just because I'm kind of Asian. I like keeping it on. Plus it's not blocking off any vents. So I don't really see the point of taking it off. I think it just keeps it clean, so I'm just going to keep it on. I know this is an unboxing, so it would make sense to take it off, but I'm just not going to do that. At the bottom here, we have our serial number, and there's like some vents here, I guess for keeping it cool and letting the air out. We have our AC adapter plug in there. We have our USB port right there. And we have our lock if you want to lock it to something. There's like special locks that you can buy that connect to that. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm going to test it out here, and I'm going to do a speed test on it. Now, keep in mind that my MacBook is a 2011 MacBook Pro, so the speed on it isn't going to be as fast as what you get on a USB 3.0 laptop. So it's not going to be that accurate, but we'll see what it gets with USB 2.0, and then you guys can judge for yourself. Since I already own this hard drive, I already know what I'm getting. It's pretty much just a standard hard drive that has a lot of space. So if that's what you're looking for, I do recommend that you get this. There are features that other hard drives have that this one doesn't. For example, some some hard drives you can connect a network cable to, and then that way it's always connected to the network. This one doesn't have that option. This one is strictly through USB, and I think it's a really good hard drive for backing up your laptop, because if you're using like Time Machine, you can store a lot of backups on a 4 TB hard drive. So yeah, this one I'm not going to be using for a backup. I'm going to be storing strictly pictures and videos on this one. But yeah, that is it. That's the hard drive. So I have the USB cable connected and the AC adapter connected. Now I'm going to plug in the adapter to my computer here. Alright guys, so we are going to be doing a speed test on this hard drive. Again, keep in mind that it is USB 2.0, and I don't know how fast it's going to be. But I've connected it so far. Yes, it did detect it. I have access to user manuals and extras. Basically stuff that I don't care about. So we're just going to format this hard drive. So we selected here. It's called the Western Digital MyBook. 4 TB USB. And yeah, we are just going to erase it. I've never actually seen this utility. This is new to Mac. It looks like they redesigned the interface here. Okay, so we're going to erase this. We're going to use OS 10 Extended Journal. Let's just call it Western Digital MyBook, because I don't know what else to call this hard drive. MyBook. Okay, and it is erasing. It's formatting. So it is finally finished formatting. So let's do the speed test. To do this speed test, I'm going to use this app here that I got from the Apple App Store. It's called Blackmagic Design. I don't even know if that's what it's called. Yeah, it's called Blackmagic Design Disk Speed Test. So just to start off, first let's see how fast it is on my SSD drive, my internal SSD drive. So we're going to do a speed test on here and see what kind of results we get. On our write speed, it looks like we're getting around 210, but it's dropping. Now it's at 184 is what it stopped at. Our read is at 260. Now it's at 240, dropping 220. Also keep in mind that I have a software running that might slow down the hard drive, but it looks like it's pretty fast. Okay guys, so it looks like on our SSD drive we are getting really fast speeds. On our write speeds we got speeds of up to 220 megabytes per second, and on our read speed we were getting speeds of 397.3 megabytes per second. I have 2 internal hard drives on this laptop. But anyways, we are going to be doing a speed test on the other internal hard drive, which is not an SSD drive, it's a hybrid drive. Meaning there's a portion of it that is SSD, but then the other part of it is just a normal hard drive. So we'll do a speed test on it. As you guys can see, this one is a lot slower. It is getting speeds of 57 megabytes per second for write, and the read is getting roughly the same speed. Okay, we'll stop the test there. So we're getting roughly on the internal hard drive, which is not an SSD drive, it's just like a normal hard drive. We are getting speeds of up to 50 megabytes per second for write and speeds of 55.1 megabytes per second for read. Okay guys, finally the moment of truth. We are going to perform a speed test on the external Western Digital 4 TB hard drive. Again, keep in mind that my MacBook only has speeds of USB 2.0, so we aren't going to be seeing the USB 3.0 speeds. But nevertheless, we are still going to try out this test. So let's select the Western Digital and we'll start the speed test. So it is really slow right now. We're getting speeds of 18.2 megabytes per second for write, and speeds of 27 megabytes per second for read. Alright, so we'll stop the test there. It looks like out of all three drives, this one was the slowest, but that's to be expected considering this is an external drive connected to USB 2.0. So we were getting speeds of roughly 20 megabytes per second for write and 27 megabytes per second for read, much slower than an SSD drive. But let's actually just check here how fast USB 2.0 is supposed to actually be. So I just did a quick Google search and I found out that USB 2.0 is supposed to have a maximum speed of 60 megabytes per second. So we got 27 megabytes per second, which is about half, but that's not too bad. So yeah, that was pretty much the test that we got. I don't know what the speeds are for USB 3.0. I wish I could test it. Maybe I'll test it later in the future, but unfortunately I just don't have a device that has USB 3.0. But anyways guys, this is the end of my unboxing and review. Let me know if you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. If you like to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button guys. Thanks for watching again, and watch all my other videos too while you're at it.